Happy morning, my dears. This week we are going to see prose 2 book exercises, that is compound words and plural forms. Before that, let us recall the last week's portion, homophones and abbreviations. Okay, what is a homophone, my dears? In short, homophones are words that have similar sound but different meanings and spellings. Examples are, first one, bean. Tom doesn't like green beans, and I have never been to Japan. Second one, boat. After a while, I got bored and left. I will write it up upon the board. Third one, blue. She liked blue dresses. She blew onto her coffee to cool it down. Next one, allowed. Smoking is not allowed here. The pain made him cry aloud. Altar. The groom left the bride standing at the altar. I can't alter the plans. Next, aunt. Aunts work hard all summer. My aunt lives in Canada. Next one, abbreviation. It is a short form of a word or a phrase. The examples are CEO, Chief Educational Officer, DEO, District Educational Officer, RRB, Railway Recruitment Board, AIDS, Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome, CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation, BA, Bachelor of Arts, BSc, Bachelor of Science, MA, Master of Arts, MPhil, Master of Philosophy. Now let us see acronym. It is a word. It is a short word made from the first letters of a group of words, and it can be read as a word. Examples are sonar, sound navigation and ranging, scuba, self-contained, underwater, breathing apparatus, UDIS, Unified District Information System for Education, laser, light amplification by the stimulated emission of radiation, NATO, the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, radar, radio direction and ranging. Now, let us come to the compound words and plural forms. First, we can see compound words. Compound word is a word made up of two or more smaller words. These words have their unique meaning. There are three types of compound words: open, closed, and hyphenated. Let us see the examples. Rain plus coat, raincoat. Pan plus cake, pancake. Ear plus ring, earring. Snow plus man, snowman. Next, butterfly, crossword, firework, goldfish, hose pipe, lighthouse, rainbow, scarecrow, snowman, strawberry. Now we can see few more examples for open, closed and hyphenated compound words. First one, open. Ice cream, swimming pool, bus stop, living room. Next, closed. Classmate, greenhouse, grasshopper and lifespan. The third one is hyphenated compound words. Examples are mother-in-law, dry cleaning, self-confidence and merry-go-round. Now, let us make the new compound words from the following words. snowfall, snow angel, snowball, snowman, earmuffs, pancake, goldfish, cowboy, flower pot, cupcake. Next, butterfly, football, popcorn, starfish, windshield, airplane, sunglass, sunflower, bookshelf, rainbow, ladybug, and fish bowl. Now let us see few more compound words. Afterlife, backstage, caretaker, daydream, egghead, firebox, goodbye. Underclothes, waistcoat, aftermath, blackmail, carpool, dishcloth, everything, saucepan, tablespoon, wallboard, afternoon, ballpark, coffee maker, driveway, tail light, upstage, wardroom, air mail, blacklist, come back, and the last one is doorstep. Now let us see the plural forms of the nouns. The plural form of a word is the form that is used when referring to more than one person or thing. Example, tooth, teeth, child, children, box, boxes. Now we can see few more examples for the plural forms. Bird, birds, broom, brooms, camel, camels, desk, desks, doll, dolls, egg, eggs, flower, flowers, fork, forks, game, games, lamb, lambs, nest, nests, pen, pens, photo, photos, shirt, shirts. While changing the singular noun into plural forms, we need to follow these rules. Rule number 1. Most words add s to make the plural forms. Examples: one apple, two apples, desk, desks, book, books, pen, pens, shop, shops, chair, chairs, month, months, train, trains, name, names, friend, friends, teacher, teachers. Rule number 2. Add es to words ending in ch, sh, yes, ss, x or z. One box, many boxes. Wish, wishes. Cross, crosses. Bus, buses. Dish, dishes. Fox, foxes. Beach, beaches. Waltz, waltzes. Church, churches. Loss, losses. Bunch, bunches. When the letter, rule number 3, when the letter before a y is a consonant, change the y to an I before adding an es. Let us see the examples. One baby, two babies. Some more examples are city, cities, pony, ponies, reply, replies, berry, berries, family, families, lady, ladies. When words, rule number 4, when words end in ay, ey, ly, oy and uy, we should add an s to make the plural forms. Examples are one donkey, two donkeys, day, days, key, keys, play, plays, boy, boys, delay, delays, guy, guys. Rule number 5. When words end in F or FE, change the F or FE to a V before adding ES. Examples are one knife, two knives, leaf, leaves, half, halves, wife, wives, life, lives, hoof, hoofs, thief and thieves. Rule number 6. When a word ends in an O and comes after a consonant, add ES to make the plural. Examples are one tomato, two tomatoes, cargo, cargos, echo, echoes, volcano, volcanoes, flamingo, flamingos, mango, mangoes, hero, heroes, torpedo, torpedoes. Rule number 7. Sometimes a word nearly entirely changed when its form of a plural made. Example, child, two children, person, people, man, men, cactus, cacti, goose, geese, woman, women, fungus and fungi. The last rule is sometimes a word may stay the same in both its singular and plural form. Examples are one fish, many fish, tuna, tuna, deer, deer, moose, moose, trout, trout, sheep, sheep, series, series. So, my dear children, these are the rules to be followed while forming the compound words or changing the singular nouns into plural forms. Okay, my dears. Thank you very much.